The Baumuller buc2-90-90-34-101-01 is the main three-phase regenerative power supplies used in a BUH series spindle motor controller. This BUC boost power supply is capable of taking lower three-phase power and boosting it up to high DC voltage. As shown in the video, the hookup for this system is quite extensive, but at ERD we have the experience and all the parts to put it together. This spindle system requires a full rebuild, and the buc2 was matted to a buc2-90-90-34-101-00 motor controller, and as shown in the video, we combined both pieces of the system along with ERD's Baumuller spindle motor for the final test. At ERD we run into a variety of motor controls that have separate power units. We are also prepared to work on either or both parts of the system. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.